Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. We're excited to have you today. And like we do every day here at VCTV, we like to give you the rundown of top headlines in the industry. These industries continue to reshape every millisecond. And so we want to bring you the latest and greatest to keep you up to date. So, kicking off with today's first headline and big news announcement. Financial trading application Robinhood has recently announced they will allow deposits and withdrawals for cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. Gotta love. Also, today, currently, Robinhood users of the app can only buy and sell. So now you'll be able to buy, sell, and also deposit and withdraw. Stay tuned for more. Bitcoin, shout out and a little celebration, has seen all-time highs again, surpassing 52,000. Ethereum following, reaching also all-time highs, just over $1,900 as DeFi, decentralized finance, TLV, or total lock value, also finds its all-time highs, reaching over $41.7 billion, according to DeFi Pulse. NVIDIA has unveiled a new processor chip that has been built specifically for Ethereum mining, a side business that appeared from the GPU and processor company a few years ago and has started to take over as a unique business unit for the company. Issued by Uniswap in 2019, the SOX token, backed by physical limited edition pairs of socks, has seen new all-time highs, reaching over $92,000 for these limited edition few limited pairs of socks. So far, 185 users have already redeemed their tokens of the 500 for the meme footwear. So get your special edition socks while you can. MasterCard. We have seen MasterCard time and time again in the news over the past few weeks. Most recently, announcing their rollout plan to provide cryptocurrency services to all of their merchants and customers around the world. Well, today they do it again by inking a new partnership for a prepaid debit card linked to the Bahamas central bank digital currency known as the Sand Dollar. The prepaid card will allow users to instantly convert the Sand Dollar to cash during purchases. Next, investing site. The Monty Fool has decided to join the game of many other corporations around the world and decided to purchase a little Bitcoin, particularly $5 million worth of Bitcoin, following Michael Saylor's news at MicroStrategies that he would be increasing not only his raise, but also his purchase from 600 to over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin here in the next few days. We also had news that Spider-Man decided to enter the cryptoverse as a drawing by one of the Marvel comic artists, Adam Kubert, sold recently for 12.75 ETH, or about $25,000 at the time of selling as a non-fungible token. And a space that we've continued to see grow. As we spoke yesterday, in the last 30 days, we've seen over $100 million transacted in the NFT space, a number that rivals the $250 million that was done in the total year of 2020. Looking forward to seeing how that continues to grow this year, as we're only in February. Next up, Bosch. Bosch Group is teaming up with Fetch AI to launch a multi-purpose blockchain network that can help further advance Web3, or decentralized application capabilities with artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. The network is currently in testnet until the end of this month here in February 2021, seeking to, again, bring DLT, or distributed ledger technology, to several industries. Now, for those who may not be aware, Bosch and Fetch AI have also had a lot of work put forth in both the smart cities and automotive space as well. So stay tuned on how that new blockchain may roll out. And lastly, Private Fly, the UK based charter carrier, said yesterday that 19% of their yearly revenues were generated from the sale of tickets via Bitcoin. And just recently in December, 12% of those total sales, again, were done in Bitcoin. January saw a slight increase with just around 13% of all ticket sales done via Bitcoin. So with that, that's your quick rundown of today's news here in blockchain and crypto. A lot more to come today and also more tomorrow. For those tuning in for the first time, join us here in just a few minutes on VCTV as we break down what's happening in the blockchain space, in particular to gaming and esports. Later today, we'll also be talking more about decentralized finance and banking, and also be sure to join us in Clubhouse at 12 Pacific today to break down these headlines and much more as to what's happening throughout the blockchain and crypto space. With that, I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Tune in every day, all day on VCTV, again, to get your latest and greatest news in the industry and also hear from investors from around the world as their insights on the ground perspectives of what's happening in different technologies, industries, and regions around the world. Check us out on LATOKEN.com, and a big thank you to the team, along with Maria, for making today's episode possible. We'll see you back here in just a moment. Take care, everybody.